Hi guys, I have another snake plant video today. This is a follow-up video of a leaf propagation I did about 6 months ago. I propagated this in water back in May of 2021. So this is an old video of when I was propagating this leaf. So this is where the leaf cutting came from originally. This is the original plant. I made a cutting right here. I rooted this leaf in water and then potted it in soil. I had more than one leaf, but only this one survived. I'll show you the progression of how it's been doing. So here it is after 2.5 months. It has a baby plant shooting out. This is from the middle of August, so it took about 3 months to get to this stage. I propagated the leaf in water, and when it rooted, I put it in soil. Then 3 months later, they shoot it out. I don't know if that's the normal timeline for snake plant leaf propagation. I'm thinking it depends on the plant's growing season, how fast the progression would be. So stay tuned, I'll be doing more updates on how this baby plant is doing. Hi guys, so another 3 months have passed and look how much this has grown. We're now in the end of November. All of my snake plants went through a growth spurt, including this one. It started in early fall and only lasted for about 2 weeks, the growth spurt. But look how much this has grown. I'll be transplanting this to a bigger and taller pot. I have a fast draining potting mix here all ready. So I kept this leaf cutting indoors the whole time. It was in a bright location but away from direct sunlight. And I watered it once every 5 to 10 days. I made sure the soil didn't dry out completely. So I'm not exactly sure what to do with this leaf cutting. I think you're supposed to remove it, but I'm just gonna leave it on just to be on the safe side. So there you go guys, I've been loving my snake plants lately because they're giving me a lot of love back. I keep all of my snake plants indoors, they're my only succulent plants that do well inside. So thanks so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Please like and subscribe to my channel if these are the types of content you'd like to see. And I have a playlist of related topics you can check out down below. Thanks so much for your support. We really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day wherever you are and happy gardening. Bye!